In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit on Google Forms. Whether you're looking to create a survey, an event invitation, or any form that requires feedback, Google Forms is a robust tool that simplifies this process. However, knowing how to edit your forms can make them even more effective and customized to your needs. Let's dive into how you can do just that step by step. First off, you need to access your Google Forms. To do this, navigate to Google Sites. Upon arriving at Google Sites, you'll see the option to sign in located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type it in, then click Next. Following that, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure to type it in carefully, and once you're done, click Sign In again. After you've successfully signed in, the next step is to actually get to Google Forms. It's quite straightforward from here. Just look for Google Forms in the Google Apps selection, or navigate directly by typing forms.google.com in your browser's address bar. The interface is quite intuitive, leading you directly to where you need to be. Now you're in the main Google Forms page, surrounded by any forms you've previously created or templates you can use to start a new form. Here's where the fun begins. Locate the form you wish to edit. You might have quite a few, so take a moment to find the specific one you're working on. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open. The form you've selected will open in editing mode, but don't be overwhelmed. Google Forms is designed to be user-friendly. You'll notice your form is made up of various sections, including questions and answers. To start editing, click on the specific question or answer you want to change. When you click on an element, whether it's a question or an answer option, you'll see that you're able to modify the text directly. It's that simple. Besides just editing the text, pay attention to the toolbar that appears. This toolbar is your gateway to adding, rearranging, or deleting questions. It's also where you can change question types. Maybe you started with a multiple choice question, but decide that a short answer suits the question better. Well, you can easily switch between types using this toolbar. Editing your Google form is an ongoing process. As you review your form, you might think of new questions to add or decide that some questions are no longer necessary. Remember, the goal is to make your form as clear and concise as possible for those who will be filling it out. Another great tip while editing is to preview your form. This lets you see your form exactly as respondents will see it, ensuring everything looks and works as intended. The preview button is conveniently located at the top right corner of the screen, symbolized by an eye icon. Clicking it opens your form in a new tab, allowing you to fill it out as a test. This is incredibly helpful for catching any mistakes or areas of improvement before sending your form out into the world. In conclusion, Google Forms offer a flexible and powerful way to gather information. By following these steps, you can edit your forms to perfection, making them a true reflection of what you need. Remember, the more precise and straightforward your questions, the better quality of responses you'll receive. Happy editing, and here's to creating forms that get the job done.